Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video and welcome to this video series that I'm starting on my YouTube channel. In this video series, we're going to talk about Clickbank and how you can make money from it step by step. I'm going to talk about everything there is to know step by step, and just take you through the whole process of building a profitable campaign around the Clickbank product and promoting it and making a ton of commissions. So we're going to talk about a lot of different things, and that's why we're going to have multiple videos about this. So I don't want to make a video that is going to be 45 minutes long, so that's why we're going to have multiple videos. So in the first video of this training series that we're doing, we're going to talk about strategy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up the strategy and explain exactly what it takes to sell a product to someone, because there's a lot of misconception, because a lot of people think that all you got to do in order to make a sale is just send the traffic either to the sales page or maybe have a landing page or something like that. It's much more complicated than that, but when you know exactly how to do it, because obviously there are multiple ways to sell a product. That's something you got to understand. There's not just like one formula, and that's something we talk about a lot inside Home Business Bootcamp. I'm going to leave a link in the description, but I'm going to talk about one of the strategies that is going to work if you implement it, and it's not that complicated. It might look a little bit complicated, but it's not. It's super easy to implement. You just got to put some time to it. And guys, this is not like a instant money making strategy or something like that, because if you want to make money, if you want to do affiliate marketing and make money, you got to spend some time and you got to invest some money into it, because you're building a business, so it's not going to happen overnight. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do in the first video again is I'm going to drop the strategy and explain exactly what it takes to sell something and how to actually do it. So I'm gonna for the purpose of this video, we're mixing two different strategies together to use it to sell a product. So this is coming from my experience, and this is mixing YouTube with a pre-sale funnel. So let me explain how this works. So let's say you're promoting a weight loss product. That's the product you're promoting. Okay, so the easiest way to actually make that sell is to just have a couple of videos on YouTube, send traffic from YouTube to the sales page and make the sale. That's easy and not that complicated. But something you can do to make sure that your traffic converts and you make more sales at the same time you build a business while you're making money, is to have a funnel, attach a funnel to this process. Let me explain something really important. Affiliate marketing, the business of affiliate marketing and making money online, it's not just about making those commissions and making money, promoting products and all that stuff, but at the same time you got to understand you need to build a business with it too. This is really important. You need to gather a list. Now your email list is going to be the core of your business, and if you don't have an email list, you don't have a business, because something can go wrong and you can lose everything. But your email list is something that is going to be always there for you, and you can just send an email, get a bunch of traffic to a new offer that you have. So it's the best, it's the core of your business and the best thing that you're going to do in your business. So important to do that. So let me explain how we do this. So what we do is we build a YouTube channel around a product. So let's say we're promoting a weight loss product as an example. What we do is we create a YouTube channel. We create 4 videos on this YouTube channel. Have 4 videos. So let's say this is the YouTube channel, and we're going to talk about traffic and a lot of different things in future videos. All right, so don't worry about it. We're going to get into this more and more. So this is the YouTube channel. So what we do is, so we have another funnel after this. So we call this the opt-in funnel. So instead of just sending traffic from this YouTube channel directly, what we do is we send the traffic to the opt-in page. So when we do this, we build a list. Anyone who watches these videos that we have on the YouTube channel that we built for this product is going to go ahead and opt in. Now the reason this works really good is because, first of all, the conversion on this is going to be super high, because you built a YouTube channel. You don't have to have like a ton of videos, maybe 3 or 4 is going to do the job, but you built a YouTube channel around the product. This way, when someone lands on this opt-in page, they convert like crazy. You got to get 70-80% conversion rates. So that's why this is really, really powerful. Okay, so it's important to build a YouTube channel. This is going to serve you a lot. You know, you build a YouTube channel, you can promote other products using the same YouTube channel. So it's really important to do this, and this is going to help you to kind of turn the cold traffic to the warm traffic, because the main source of traffic for this training, for this training series that we're doing, is going to be YouTube, right? But the problem is that YouTube traffic is always cold. You need to engage the traffic with your content before sending them to your pre-sale page, offer, or whatever you do. So it's important to do that, and in order to do this, you need to have a YouTube channel that is kind of built a little bit. Again, it doesn't have to be a big YouTube channel, just a couple of videos that shows that, okay, this is a YouTube channel, this is a real YouTube channel, you spend some time on this YouTube channel. Okay, so this way it turns the cold traffic to warm traffic. That's really, really important. So you send the traffic from your YouTube channel to the opt-in page, and then from the opt-in page you send them, let me just make sure it fits, there you go. From the YouTube for the opt-in page, you send them to a pre-sale page. And this is where you offer your product, your service, whatever you're selling as an affiliate. And also, because you're building a list, you can just send more emails in future and just have them to go back to the pre-sale page in case if they don't buy, or you can do a lot of crazy different things that I'm going to talk about in future videos, like retargeting, you know, a lot of different things that you can do. So you have the list, you know, you have the email list. You can use it to promote other products in case if they don't buy, or you can use it to promote the same product, maybe show them, give them more reason to actually buy it, because obviously you're not going to get everybody to buy your product. So, you know, it's the whole process of sending more emails every single day, or maybe every couple of days, to get them to come back to the pre-sale page. This is the pre-sale page, is the page you convince someone to buy your product. So we're going to talk about that more also. Okay, so this is the funnel, guys. I know this looks a little bit, you know, complicated, but it's not. And we're going to, as we move forward in next videos, I'm going to, you know, explain everything step by step in more detail. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions by leaving a comment. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to Home Business Bootcamp in case if you want to learn everything in detail. In Home Business Bootcamp, we have hours and hours, almost 20-25 hours of content, and in there actually I do everything in detail. You're gonna see me starting a affiliate marketing campaign, you know, from different strategies. As I said, there isn't only one strategy to make money online as an affiliate marketer. So you're gonna see me using different strategies, and also you're gonna see me doing everything right in front of you on screen, step by step. So in case if you want to learn it in like crazy details like that, that's the best place to get started. All right, so I'm going to leave a link to that in the description, and also I'll see you in the next video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos, like this video, and leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you want me to talk about anything else, anything specific in the next video. All right, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.